YouTube channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making strawberry cupcakes that look like strawberry pies. So, let's take a break and bake. So Thanksgiving was last week, but I'm not done with the Thanksgiving treats yet. I thought I would make some strawberry cupcakes that look like strawberry pies. These are like the dessert imposters that we made at our old kitchen that were little cupcakes that look like cheeseburgers. Now let's bake these strawberry cupcakes. The ingredients you need are 1 2/3 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of chopped strawberries, 3/4 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 3/8 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. For decoration you need light brown buttercream, and the tips that we're going to be using, a small round tip and a medium-sized star tip, and red M&Ms. The first step to making these strawberry cupcakes is adding our flour, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda into a bowl, and then we're gonna whisk that all together. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna add our eggs, butter, sour cream, milk, and vanilla. After you mix all that together, add it into your dry ingredients, and then it'll be time to mix it up. After you're all done mixing that together, fold in your strawberries very gently. Then you're gonna fill your cupcake liners a little over halfway full, and I got these cupcake liners because they look like little pie tins. Then after you're all done filling your cupcake tins, put them in the oven at 350 for 18 to 20 minutes. Now that the cupcakes are all done baking and they've cooled for a little bit, we're going to start decorating them to look like strawberry pies. The first step is putting a little bit of buttercream on the cupcake and then putting M&Ms on top of that to look like strawberries. You're gonna take your piping bag fitted with the small tip and pipe lines going across the cupcake. Then you're gonna switch to your star tip. Then you're gonna go around the side of the cupcake to make that delicious crust that everybody loves. After that, you will have your delicious strawberry cupcake. Alright guys, so these cupcakes are all done and they look so much like actual pies. So as you can see, I made one to look like a strawberry pie, and I also made one to look like a blueberry pie. You just make your favorite blueberry cupcakes and then you do the same decorations just with blue M&Ms. And now it's time for the taste test. These taste so good and they have so much texture. You have the creamy buttercream, you have the crunchy M&Ms, and then you have the soft, delicious cupcake underneath. These are so great. They're perfect for this time of year for Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up. So you should totally try these. And if you don't want to make them look like a pie, so you can just make delicious tasting strawberry cupcakes and then make a strawberry buttercream to go on top. Thank you so much for watching this video of Baking and Buttercream. I'm so glad I was able to make these cupcakes that look like pies. So make sure to try this recipe. Check out the links in the description below. My website link where you can contact me and watch my videos. Also down there, there's my store link where you can get my piping tips and piping bags that I used in this video. Or if you have social media and you want to follow Baking and Buttercream, go down there. There's a link to Baking and Buttercream's social medias on Facebook and Instagram. Like always, don't forget to share this video with all your friends. Like it if you enjoyed, and comment down below on another treat you want me to make. And don't forget to subscribe. We're over 100 subscribers now, and I'm so happy that we got to that goal a couple weeks ago. So keep on subscribing, keep on sharing, and don't forget to click on one of these videos right here. YouTube thinks you'll enjoy this one due to what you've watched in the past. I think you'll enjoy this one. And don't forget to click this little icon that has the Baking and Buttercream logo to subscribe. Alright guys, have a great day.